Now, from your weather authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, the winter storm is behind us, but the frigid air is not. That's going to be with us through the first half of the weekend, and then we'll thaw out on Sunday and slowly get back to normal next week with no big weather systems in sight, at least for the next 7 days. But today we started at 20. That wasn't bad for a low temperature, but the high only 25. We're going to be even colder than that tomorrow. There are the highs from today, generally 25 to 30 degrees. Normally we would be in the low to mid-40s this time of the year, but at least nothing is falling from the sky on live first warning Doppler radar, and that could very well be the case until well into next week. The next 6 to 7 days looking pretty quiet, if not very quiet, compared to what we've been through lately. But keeping an eye on the roadways, a live view from the Highway 41 Twin Bridges. That's our Ellis Park tower camera, and we've got a little more traffic out there tonight compared to last night at this time. And the bridges were in good shape today. A lot of that ice and snow was melted by the sun, but of course, once the sun went down, temperatures have been below freezing all day, and there could be some black ice developing out there. East side of Evansville, I-69 and State Route 66 look to be in good shape this evening. It's the side roads, as we showed you earlier, that are kind of still snow-packed or ice-packed across a good deal of the area. 21 degrees, a west wind at 5. Temperatures have been holding pretty steady this evening, upper teens to low 20s, but the cold front's coming in from the northwest. So usually ahead of a front, you see a little surge of warmer air. Front will come through and knock temperatures back into the single digits across a good deal of the area by daybreak tomorrow. It already feels that way in Carmi, a wind chill of 9. We have a wind chill of 15. Evansville, Owensboro, 17 in Henderson. It won't be all that windy, but there'll be enough wind out there to take that wind chill by daybreak in some places down to near 0. So one of the coldest nights of the season so far. Got some cloud cover moving in ahead of that second cold front, which is a dry one. What's left of the snow showers that moved through the area last night and early this morning, now in the upper Ohio Valley, and even up in New England, they dealt with this winter storm also, but it is just about history. It looks like the last of the snow now pushing out of Maine and heading towards the Canadian Maritimes. So we've got a good-looking weekend on the way. These clouds are going to be clearing out by daybreak tomorrow, so we have a mostly sunny Saturday on the way, but it will be a frigid one, a little colder than today, with high temperatures topping out in the, let's say, mid to upper 20s. We'll call it 24 in Evansville, 25 Henderson and Owensboro. And then tomorrow night will still be well below normal, but not quite as cold as tonight. We'll fall back into the teens during the evening, and our low of about 10 to 15 will be sometime shortly after midnight, and then temperatures rising some by daybreak on Sunday, which should feature, again, a good deal of sunshine through the morning and early afternoon, and temperatures will be warming into the upper 30s to around 40s. We'll be thawing out and really beginning to melt a lot of that ice and snow that's out there. But as we head into Sunday night, the clouds continue to increase. Another cold front's coming through, and this one will also be dry, moving through early on Monday. So we wake up to mostly cloudy skies Monday morning, and then we clear out in the afternoon as we get another shot of very cold air, but not as cold as what we have in here right now. High temperatures will still be in the low to mid-30s at least on Monday. In China, the games are officially underway, and the weather in Beijing, on average, is very similar to our average February weather here in Evansville. And that's going to be the case tomorrow in Beijing, where it's already Saturday, 41 degrees with a mix of sun and clouds. We're not going to be that warm around here, at least tomorrow. Partly cloudy overnight, 6 to 12. So outlying areas will get well down into the single digits, especially if you have a lot of snow and ice on the ground. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny, frigid day, mid to upper 20s for the high. 7-day forecast. Sunday, we thaw out, sunshine, a few clouds later in the day, 39. That cold front comes through dry early Monday. Skies clear in the afternoon, breezy and colder, but at least we're above freezing at 34. Sunshine Tuesday and 39. Then we slowly just warm back to normal for the latter half of next week. Highs of 40 to 45. A couple models hinting at maybe a little rain and snow on Friday, but no big weather systems in sight over the next 7 days, and that's a nice change of pace.
All right. It is.
Thanks a lot, Wayne. Well, coming up, an unexpected